Create this pro-level poster design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on Custom Size. Select the square size. First, go to Elements and add a dark blue background. Set this image as the background. Search for the blue glow and add 1. Adjust the size and position to the center alignment. Upload your model image. Remove the background. Adjust the size and set the position to the middle alignment. Go to Elements and add a yellow shadow. Adjust the size and position. Change the layer position to the backward. Add a text. Change the font to Montserrat. Make all uppercase. Increase the letter spacing. Style will be italic. Add another text. Change the font to Delirium and CV. Change the color to white. Change the layer position to backward 2 times. Add a design element from the Elements tab. Change the transparency to 1. Go to the position and drag this element under the text. Go to Elements and search for the square frame box. Add this. Change the color to yellow. Subscribe to my channel and check the description box for the color codes and other information. Duplicate this text. Change the color to ash white. Rotate the text. Duplicate the text. Add a text. Change the font to Montserrat. Change the color to white. Duplicate this text. Change the color to yellow. Duplicate both texts. Add a text box. Duplicate this. Again, duplicate this. Press and hold the Shift key and select these three texts and adjust the position. Duplicate this text. Decrease the letter spacing. Now, duplicate this text. Now, duplicate this text. Make this text semi-bold. Go to Elements and add a fashion logo. You will use your logo here. Adjust the size and position of any elements if needed. Here is the final result. Check out my WhatsApp channel for the template link. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.